Title: Lost Luggage Tragedy, DUI Mum's Nightmare on California Freeway. TLDR. In a shocking turn of events, two children lost their lives on a Californian freeway while attempting to retrieve a lost piece of luggage. The children's mother, now facing DUI and manslaughter charges, saw her world crumble in real time. But should the full blame be on her? Or is it time we scrutinized our road safety measures? The full saga. Picture this: a seemingly ordinary Sunday drive on State Route 78 in sunny San Diego County, California. A green GMC Yukon hurtling down the freeway with 33-year-old Sandra Ortiz at the helm and her two children, a 10-year-old boy and a 16-year-old girl, as passengers. Suddenly, a piece of luggage takes flight from the vehicle, prompting the two children to leap into action. Except, this isn't some superhero movie. This is real life with real consequences. The children ventured onto the freeway, straight into the path of an oncoming white Nissan Sentra. Tragically, the fast-approaching car claimed both their lives. As bystanders and eventually first responders came to the horrific scene, the narrative took another dark turn. Ortiz, the mother and driver of the Yukon, was apprehended under the suspicion of driving under the influence. More than just a DUI, she was also charged with gross vehicular manslaughter while intoxicated and child endangerment. The consequences of her alleged actions? A potential $500,000 bail and an arraignment set to shake her world. The other driver, a 41-year-old whose identity remains undisclosed, didn't suffer any injuries and cooperated fully at the scene. Investigations turned the freeway into a chaotic crime scene till late into the night. But there's another side to this story. If we lift the veil of tragedy, do we see a case of irresponsibility, intoxication, and neglect? Or do we see a reflection of our own negligence in ensuring safe road conditions? So, as the narrative unfolds, the Ortiz family tragedy turns into a disheartening discourse on road safety, driving ethics, and the value of life. It also brings to light the urgent need for conversation around the issue. How many more lives need to be lost on our highways before substantial measures are put in place? As Ortiz awaits her date in court, the loss of two young lives hangs heavy in the air. Their story is a chilling reminder of how quickly life can take a turn, literally and figuratively. Disclaimer: this article does not provide legal advice or recommendations. It's intended purely for informational purposes. Turned Up News is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided in this article. Alright folks, it's your turn. Could this tragedy have been avoided? What could be the possible measures to prevent such horrific accidents in the future? And, how do we balance the need for swift justice with a compassionate understanding of human error? Let the discussions begin.